Hello, very good afternoon friends. Today I'm going to show you a very simple thing, but it would be useful to you, that how to set a password to your either MS Word document, or how to set password to your MS Excel document, or either to PowerPoint document. So to encrypt your document if you have any important files and things, so to protect your files and folders from viruses as well. Okay, so let's see. It's a very simple. It takes only 1 minute. Suppose this is our MS Word document which we want to protect from password. So open it just. Okay, doesn't matter whatever version do you have, 2003, 2007 MS Office or MS Office 2010. I want to encrypt it by password. I want to set password. I want to add password to this. Then what do you do? Go to this button, okay, and just don't click on prepare, just keep your mouse over prepare button. It will give you a lot of options. Just go to encrypt document. Once you go to encrypt document, you would be asked to create a password. So I am creating here. Okay, I have created one password here. I will do an OK. It is asking to reconfirm that password again into the same password. Okay, and that's it. It's okay, and save it finally. So if you do a save here, and again if you want to access that document, it will ask for your password. Yes, if you enter a wrong password, it will say no, you have to enter a correct password. So if you enter the correct password, it will open. Okay, let's see. That's it. Okay, same is the case to Excel sheet. If you have any MS Excel sheet or MS Excel documents which is very important, data are very important, then it is mandatory. We advise particularly to MS Excel to give a password. Okay, so do the same. Just go and roll over mouse to prepare, and after that you will get an option encrypt document. Click over there and again enter the password which you want to create here. Okay, again re-enter the password which you are willing to create and save this button. Now this document as well is saved by password. When anybody try to access the sheet, it will be asked to enter the password. Okay, so same is the case with MS PowerPoint as well. So thanks a lot for watching, guys and girls. If you love my videos, I have a lot much to say. Just subscribe to my channel's YouTube channel. Okay, bye bye.